Welcome to yet another video tutorial of testing advices. So in my previous roadmap video, we had a walkthrough on how we are going to proceed with the course learnings. Now in this particular video, we are going to kick off with our second phase, and that is nothing but the installation phase. Okay, so as the practical learnings are the critical part of our training course, hence I have skipped the theoretical explanation for the lesson Selenium and its components. Okay, but you guys can always visit this particular lesson and review this theoretical explanation which I have provided in this particular lesson. Okay, so review it, and as that will help you guys to understand the concept, and if any queries, then you can always write to us on our official email ID, that is info@testingadvices.com. So in phase 2 we will be learning about different tools installations, and the first we will start with the Java environmental variables. Open the browser and Google Java JDK download. Now click on the link Java SE Development Kit 8. On redirected page on left rail, you can see Java Standard, Enterprise and Micro editions. I have posted high level points on all this in the blog, but you can also check Overview tab on the same page to see the detailed difference. So on this page, the demo and the complete package is been offered. So based on the Windows installed in your system, you need to click on the Accept Radio button and then need to click on the exe file. So it will start downloading the package. Okay, the package is downloaded now, but let's just verify by going into Drive C and Program Files folder that Java is not yet installed in your system. Now double click on the package, click on Next, Next, and then OK. Now select the destination folder and click on Next. It will install the Java, and at last click on the Close button. To set the environmental variables, go to Drive C, Program Files, Java, JDK folder, and then copy the path, and then open your System Explorer, in which we are going to browse Advanced System Settings, Environmental Variables, and in the window shows User Variables and System Variables. Under System Variables, click on New, and under Variable Name field type Java_home, and under Variable Value field paste the JDK path and click on OK. Similarly, under System Variable, locate Path and click on Edit. To reduce the complications, copy the path under Variable Name field and paste into Sticky Notes. Go to C drive, Program Files, Java, JDK, bin folder, copy the path, and on Sticky Notes paste before any path, and then put semicolon at end to separate from other paths. Now copy the updated path on Sticky Notes and paste it under Variable Value field on Path and click OK 3 times for all the window open till now. Now let's confirm by opening the CMD and typing Java _version and hit enter. As you can see, it shows the installed Java version. So guys, along with the video, also review the theoretical content provided in the lesson. Now in the next video, we'll look into Maven. Thanks for watching the video.